Hello everyone! Today's video is going to be very special because I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing video ad for your product with the help of AI.
All right, besties. If you have no clue what to get your best friend this summer, I got you. This is what I put together. Her favorite things, skincare, sun protection, and the perfect gift box from Mary & May. This one's a daily SPF cream that calms the skin, evens tone, and doesn't clog pores. And this sunstick? No mess. No white cast. It has bakuchiol and 25 types of peptides for anti-aging benefits. She can throw it in her bag and reapply during the day, even over makeup. It's simple, cute, and she'll actually use it. Way better than guessing her perfume.
First of all, open the website. Its link is given in the description below. Here, you'll find some ready-made templates in the Instant Video Production section. Currently, this option is available right on the home page, but if you don't see it, you can also find it in the top or right side menu. All right, let's begin. The first step is to create a professional script for your product ad using a prompt. Don't worry, I've provided a ready-made prompt for you in the description of this video. You just need to edit it. Replace the title with the name of your product, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, simply press Enter. In just a few seconds, your customized ad script will be ready. You can see how much time this saves. If you find this helpful, please like the video. It really motivates me to bring you more content. Next, copy the script generated by ChatGPT and return to the same website. Before pasting it, make sure to check a few important settings. Select UGC ad, then choose the duration of your video ad, and finally, select the size of your video. Now, paste your script here. But remember, always read through the script once before pasting it. Sometimes prompts can include small errors or details that may not match your product, so it's good to review it. Once you paste the script, your video ad will start generating automatically. The AI tool may suggest some changes in the prompt. You can accept them or simply click Continue to move forward. That's it. In just a short time, your professional video ad will be ready, and you can download it instantly.